How to use Waze on Apple Watch. Follow these instructions. Install Apple or Google Maps on iPhone. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired and both devices have Bluetooth enabled. Open the Maps app on iPhone and enter your desired destination. Choose your travel mode, driving, walking, cycling, or transit. Tap the Start button to begin navigation. The route will sync automatically with your connected Apple Watch if supported. Your Apple Watch will now display step-by-step directions and vibrate using haptic feedback before every turn or maneuver. Keep your iPhone nearby but out of sight. Just glance at your Apple Watch to follow live navigation safely and conveniently. Use the digital crown to scroll through upcoming directions if needed, or raise wrist to view alerts and estimated arrival time. When you reach your destination or want to stop, open the Maps app on your watch and tap End Route to stop navigation. Thank you for watching.